Behind me is the world's largest luffing jeep tower crane. We are installing the M2480 at NEXTDC's M2 Melbourne. The crane solution was selected with a customer-centric focus. By selecting a larger tower crane, we reduced mobile crane requirements, delivering savings through fewer mobilisations while improving safety and program certainty. On this project, the M2480 has been configured with a 55-metre jib in a two-fall hoist arrangement, making it capable of lifting loads of up to 110 tonnes, including approximately 72 tonnes at full radius. In short, the M2480 behind me allows us to execute some of the heaviest and most complex lifts from a single controlled position. One of the key challenges on M2 has been planning and managing site logistics, particularly around rooftop plant installation. The rooftop plant layout would typically require the use of large mobile cranes, resulting in significant blockage of perimeter access routes and disruptions to surrounding site operations. The M2480 overcomes this constraint by operating from a compact 8x6 metre piled concrete raft, which represents a fraction of the footprint which is typically required for an equivalent mobile crane operation. Looking ahead, the M2480 will be utilised to install the rooftop plant on the future stages of development. This scope includes 18 generator modules, 16 battery enclosures, and 16 transformer units. This will mark a critical milestone for the completion of NEXTDC's M2 Melbourne.